Namaskar, good afternoon. You're watching Times Now Live and I am Swati Joshi. Tomorrow is the last day for filing nomination for Amethi and Raebareli. While BJP's Smriti Irani has been campaigning in Amethi, upping ante against Gandhis and challenging Rahul for a one-on-one battle, the Congress is yet to announce candidates from Raebareli and Amethi. According to sources, Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge has spoken to Sonia Gandhi and has said that if Gandhis desert their bastions, a negative message would go out. Meanwhile, on being asked about Congress workers' demand on Gandhi's fighting from their bastion, Rajiv Shukla said that the party's CEC will take a decision. Madhya Pradesh Congress Chief Jitu Patwari has said that by evening the candidates' names will be announced. And we have some breaking inputs coming in as well. This is what sources are telling us. Congress leadership has convinced Rahul Gandhi to contest. According to sources, Rahul Gandhi may contest from Raebareli and KL Sharma may be fielded from Amethi constituency. So no Priyanka Gandhi. She's not contesting as per sources. This has come after the Samajwadi Party spoke to Congress leadership regarding the delay in announcement and they appealed to the Congress High Command that if Rahul Gandhi will contest, it will be beneficial for the INDI alliance. But not from Amethi. Sources are telling us that Rahul Gandhi has been convinced and that he will contest from Raebareli instead of Amethi. We have Niyamika joining us in the broadcast with more details. Niyamika, Rahul Gandhi has been convinced, that's what sources are telling us, but he will not contest from Amethi. He may be fielded from Raebareli.
Absolutely, as these are the speculations which are going on currently, and as per the sources which have informed Times Now, it is being said that finally Rahul Gandhi has been convinced by the Congress High Command to contest from Uttar Pradesh as well, and that's the reason why it might be possible that he will be fielded from the Raebareli seat, because this seat belongs to the Gandhi family, as Sonia Gandhi has been continuously contesting from this seat since 1999, and after that now this time she has taken the Rajya Sabha route, and that's the reason why when she had taken that Rajya Sabha route, she had written a letter in which she had clearly mentioned that one of the Gandhi family member is going to represent that particular seat, and that's the reason why even Sonia Gandhi had also spoken to both Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra regarding this entire matter, because continuously the Congress workers and the leaders were raising a demand that the Gandhi family members should contest from the seats of Amethi and Raebareli, and it seems like now finally Rahul Gandhi has been convinced by the Congress party and he will be contesting from these seats. However, no official confirmation has come on the part of the Congress party, but as per the sources, Rahul Gandhi is likely to contest from the Raebareli seat this time, because the seat
Adib is
was
also
with
the broadcast.
Sonia
So
Gandhi.
Adib, which means Priyanka Gandhi is certainly not making her debut, not contesting from Raebareli or from Amethi. In fact, Rahul Gandhi also contesting from Raebareli, according to the information coming in.
Well, definitely, if information is to believe that Rahul Gandhi will be contesting from the seat of Raebareli, and his Congress loyalist KL Sharma may be fielded from the seat of Amethi. But amid all the speculations, the lawyer of the Gandhi family, who is KC Shakya, he has reached the Congress office in Amethi. Let me show you in the visuals. This is the guest house where his lawyer is currently inside, and he's holding meetings with the key functionaries in Amethi. He has just reached now from Delhi, and now it is being told by sources that KC Kaushik, who is representing Gandhi family, may be heading towards the collectorate to the DM office to purchase the nomination papers. So the things will get clear in the next few hours, that who will be contesting from the seat of Amethi and Raebareli.
Okay, that's an interesting development. Stay on with us. We also have a reaction coming in from Jairam Ramesh. Amid all the confusion and what sources are telling us, the Congress General Secretary Jairam Ramesh claimed that the party is expected to announce candidates for Amethi and Raebareli in the next 24 to 30 hours. He further went on to say that nobody is scared of fighting polls and Priyanka and Rahul Gandhi are busy campaigning.
The CEC has empowered the Congress President to finalize the Congress candidates for Amethi and Raebareli. My expectation is that in the next 24 to 30 hours, Congress President will finalize, and a decision that has been taken by him will be announced. कोई देरी नहीं है. क्या बीजेपी ने रायबरेली का उम्मीदवार की घोषणा की है उन्होंने? बोलो, डरे कौन है बताइए? क्या उन्होंने रायबरेली का उम्मीदवार की घोषणा की है? और स्मृति ईरानी है क्योंकि वो सिटिंग एमपी है। रायबरेली के कैंडिडेट कौन है बीजेपी का, बताइए। डरा कोई नहीं है, कोई डरा नहीं है। समय है, बातचीत चल रही है, कांग्रेस अध्यक्ष को अधिकार सौंपा गया है, कांग्रेस अध्यक्ष जी बात कर रहे हैं और समय, कोई देरी नहीं है। 3 तारीख तक समय है।
सर, अमेठी और रायबरेली को लेकर लगातार सवाल खड़े हो रहे हैं। जनता की मांग है कि वहां से गांधी परिवार का सदस्य कोई चुनाव लड़े।
देखिए, गांधी परिवार बहुत लोकप्रिय, पूरे देश में प्रचार कर रहा है, लाखों लोग उनकी मीटिंग्स में आ रहे हैं। अब ये फैसला जो कांग्रेस की केंद्रीय चुनाव समिति है वो करेगी।
सर, खड़गे जी ने कहा था कि स्थानीय लोग ही कोई वहां से चुनाव लड़ेंगे, सरप्राइजिंग होगा उम्मीदवार।
देखिए, वो जो है ना, वो उन पे छोड़ दीजिए।